Hello and welcome back to my channel. You're chilling with C tonight, and I'm so excited. I got some new decks in. Okay, I already made room on the table, as you can see here and here, for them to go. So I already took the plastic off and everything because I'm horrible at taking plastic off. It takes me forever. So we will start. This is the Arcana deck. Okay. I love this box. It's absolutely beautiful, and like you just pull the top right off. And you slide it out. And oh, I'm not doing tarot now. This is the book. And look at the pictures. Wheel, strength. Oh, Two of Cups, the Hierophant, the Emperor, wow. Okay, somebody about to get in a relationship. For real. I'm not even supposed to be doing tarot. It's just those cards stuck out. The Tower, the Star, the Moon. Because it was meant for me to pull it back like that first. Like Nine of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Ooh. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to put her in her place. And then I will cleanse them all. And I will start using them soon. Okay, we got Cosmic Tarot. This is one that I seen that I liked. I seen another reader use it once, and I just was in awe because I just like the print and stuff. Like, it's just so, I don't know, it just depicts a deeper, more beautiful engagement with the cards. So there's that. And that one will take its place. Okay, and then we got Crystal Visions Tarot. And this one was suggested to me. See, this is the back. I don't think I showed you the back of the other ones, but you can see it here. This was the back of the one I just showed you. And the Arcanum deck, the back is the cover that I showed you. So this is Crystal. Okay. So somebody suggested to me that I get this. And I did. It's so nice. Okay, so this one will take its place. And we will go to the Soul's Journey Lessons card. Okay. Gotta put all my stuff back in the boxes because I do keep my boxes very nice. I don't lose the books or the boxes. Okay, so this is the book. And this is the back. I like it. It's like kind of psychedelic, the colors and stuff. So there's that. And I hold them up because you could spread them out on the table, but like you're not really getting the up closeness of it. They're very nice. They have a nice feel to them too. And this will take its place on the end. And since I'm extra nosy about like what's going on for you guys, and I really want to like tell you as much as I can, you know, I have these. Wait, it is the Psychic Tarot Oracle deck. Okay, and the back is a nice shade of purple with different colors in it, and it's like a geometric design. Okay, so that's like new beginnings. It's like real nice. Yeah, that's really pretty. Really pretty. And that will take its place right here. So now that's, I did take away shiny. So I'll show you which one shiny is. Because if those who love shiny, that's going to miss shiny. This one is shiny. And the back looks like this. So shiny. And I just got this. It's like the Good Tarot or something. And this is like this, but it's not that I don't like them. It's just that it has like a plastic coating, and the colors aren't dark at all, so it's like hard to, I mean, the writing's on the bottom, but like you're looking at the card to kind of help with the energy between spirit realm and the cards flowing through you. Is kind of, it's just off-putting. So that was all of the new decks, and they will be in the readings to come. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification so you know when I'm doing videos. And all my information will be in the description box below. Check that out on the way out. Remember, always, love is love, but peace is everything. Thank you for watching.